Imagine cruising over traffic congestion in your personal flying car. Tomorrow is here, folks, and it's truly amazing. From electric aircraft with zero noise pollution to hydrogen-powered aircraft emitting nothing but water vapor, these incredible vehicles are just waiting on your queue. Get ready to see next-generation flying cars that will blow your mind. One of the most promising projects is Xpang's Xpang X3 flying car. It has been thoroughly tested through a series of prototypes. A production version is scheduled for unveiling in 2025, priced at an estimated $140,000. Xpang Aero HT is today operating in Generation 6 test units, employing futuristic domestically sourced batteries and 4 high-performance electric motors on each wing. That marks several years of focused engineering and tuning as a way of bringing a truly useful flying car into being. One highlight is that it would spend its majority on roads, operating in drive mode nearly 90% of the time. In an emergency, however, its 8 rotors would let it lift 10 meters, capable of gliding over frustrating traffic tie-ups or other impediments. That 2-mode functionality is ideal for a daily commute kind of use, while presenting aerial escape routes as a bonus. Xpang is placing a lot on this model for mass-market urban transport, and with reason. If the company can get a commercial version into market without major technical problems, it has the potential to usher in a genuine revolution in how people commute on a daily basis, melding driving and flying into seamless action, changing urban mobility forevermore. The Xpeng land aircraft carrier combines electric driving with personal aviation in the way it seems as if ripped right from the pages of sci-fi into awe-inspiring reality. This future car is a 6-wheel electric van, or mothership, within which a fully autonomous eVTOL aircraft is stored in the rear as some sort of high-tech, skyward-facing garage. The idea captures an entirely new vision for integrated transportation that brings out the best from both ground and air mobility within one innovative package that shatters conventional thinking. Whether it's an idea, a car, a mode of transportation, or an actual airplane, it blows past anything perceived in personal transportation. To fly, the aircraft simply extends its 6 propellers and takes off like some robotic butterfly from its van cocoon, with pilots at any skill level having the choices between manual and autonomous flight capability. Not only does the van take the ride into the skies, but it recharges it on Earth as well, with a seamless integration with ground and air travel, eliminating range fear altogether. Debuting at CES 2025, the land aircraft carrier has already racked up world attention with over 3,000 pre-order purchases from around the world. In a shocking turn into sci-fi, Pete Bitar and Carla Saleh introduced the Elio Coupe, a 3-seat, electric jet turbine-powered flying car with movie-star looks, with innovation as well as practicality in equal proportion that would make Iron Man jealous. It's not just transportation, it's humanity's future in the air. This beautiful car is the ultimate blend of leading-edge technology with dramatic automotive style that stokes people's imaginations. Popular in its debut year of release in 2020 to change urban travel, the Elio Coupe is more electric car than airplane, making it reachable to drivers who drive daily. It is stored in an area as small as 2 parked cars, making it practical in city travel with no special hangars or airports required. With all-electric power enabled through Defense Advanced Research Projects, agency funding for efficiency and security, military-grade dependability merges with citizen-convenient availability. Its minimalist cabin seats 3, with semi-autonomous controls, as well as 5th-generation wireless availability to remain connected even in the skies. Similar to a NASA jet, it cruises at 250 miles an hour, with over an hour of time airborne with a full charge. Practical enough for personal use, air taxi, emergency travel, as well as reaching areas too remote to travel otherwise. Gove's creators think outside the box with a car whose body splits into two units, creating an appearance like a science fiction transformer. One part is a low-slung rendition of a city car, while the other end is shaped like a giant drone and would be fabricated from aerospace engineers with impossible dreams. Its modular structure is an entirely new way of thinking about personal transportation, challenging people's conventional thoughts on how a car should be. The modular structure is a new way of thinking on personal transportation. If all goes as projected, doorsteps and the skies are looking forward to welcoming Gove in 2027, and life as it was known before with flying cars is just around the corner, in contrast with what most people would think. Its developers have already received airborne operating permission on a commercial level in China, with plans for employing the Gove for bridging key city hubs, probably elevating commuter travel within cities to a new level. Some of its best specs include a rough aerial travel estimate of around 200 kilometers, just ideal for traveling from city to city, a travel speed of 80 kilometers an hour, beating city traffic, zero emissions all-electric propulsion, and vertical takeoff, as well as landing with no need for using runways. Drone H1X. The Drone H1X will be present on market shelves sometime earlier, perhaps as early as in 2026, bringing personal aviation into your home in a magic carpet manner from mythology in the land of the East. Its aim is to reshape our idea of personal transportation into dimensions that would be nothing short of jealous even for the Jetsons. Its revolutionary aircraft aims at making flying personal as normal as it is driving a car these days. With this revolutionary aircraft, excuses to your employer as to why you are late or forgo a spontaneous visitation on the outskirts would be more or less impossible, as traffic would be a relic of history. Drone H1X can achieve a speed of 193 kilometers an hour along open skies and cover distances of 160 kilometers in a single cycle of power, making it well designed for your daily commute or excursions on a weekend. And yet one more feature standing out amongst its peers is its ease in operating, which brings flight into the hands of the people. To be capable of flying this car is within your grasp in only a 20-hour session, a space shorter than navigating in parallel within any major city. Its electric vertical takeoff and landing prototype has already obtained operating permission for use from the government's top department, the United States Federal Aviation Administration, as part of its designation before entering production. The French aircraft company DTA has launched a new electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft named JP-1. Its launch occurred at International Exhibition GITEX Global 2024, where it immediately made waves due to its futuristic appearance as well as its vision as a mass-market flying car. JP-1 is capable of being flown without a pilot's license due to its sophisticated autopilot system as well as its flight stabilization system. Its revolutionary nature provides an opening up of aviation for regular people who have never flown an aircraft before. JP-1 is all-electric, providing a clean environmental mobility solution for urban travel. It is all but silent, as well as emitting no toxic emissions, making it particularly well-suited for use in populated environments. Quiet travel ensures it won't disrupt residents or animals through its flying operations. JP-1 has an enclosed cockpit with gullwing-style windows for easy entry. Its light frame provides safety as well as comfort while airborne. Its stylish appearance balances functionality with aesthetics, a vision for personal travel as well as urban air mobility solutions. At Israel's Megiddo Airport, company Urban Aeronautics made demonstration flights with its new aerial vehicle, the Cormorant. Its unmanned vertical takeoff and landing drone is designed for missions in areas inaccessible to helicopters, owing to a special internal fan arrangement which enables it to maneuver safely in built-up areas and complicated terrain. Its internal rotor system does not have any exposed blades, thus eliminating it being a hazard close to people or structures. During testing, it proved it could perform a full flight assignment on its own, from takeoff, navigating along a course, delivery, and then back to its origin. These tests reaffirmed its potential use for a range of tasks, including evacuation of casualties, delivery, and operations in hostile or difficult-to-access environments. Its autonomous features minimize human pilots' involvement in dangerous areas. Its turbomecha Ariel 1D1 turboshaft engine propels it with a cargo-carrying capability of up to 500 kilograms along a distance of up to 300 kilometers. Its configuration ensures high maneuverability as well as flight stability, as well as being able to maneuver within confined areas, making it an asset for military as well as civilian operations globally. Yet another breakthrough has been achieved. A pilot wearing jet engines mounted on legs achieved a remarkable speed of 167 kilometers per hour. To make this achievement, Zapata Racing, a company known for innovative solutions in personal aviation, has developed a system. Record speed validates the remarkable potential of personal jet-powered flying systems for future uses. The system utilized in this flight is a jet-powered bodysuit with miniature turbojet engines mounted on the pilot's legs. The layout allows for high speeds and maneuverability never achievable in previous systems. Control of the flight is achieved with body positioning and manipulating engine thrust, a skill requiring a great amount of concentration as well as body conditioning. Mastery is difficult, but the payoff is dramatic. In its demonstration flight, not only was high speed demonstrated, but also smooth maneuverability and control in the air. This achievement points toward potential in a wide variety of uses, including rescue, military applications, as well as possibly personal transportation. The technology marks a great leap toward making personal flight practical for specialized purposes. Vertical aerospace is leading the push into reality, with the pioneering spirit blazing a new course on urban transportation. Based in the UK, they've developed the VX4, a zero-emission, all-electric aircraft capable of flying, yet takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter, with electric technology's streamlined efficiencies. This new aircraft is a culmination of years of committed engineering, working towards solving real urban mobility problems with practical solutions, with practical application in the real world, not just on paper, not just another dust-collecting prototype, rather a functional fix for urban congestion. Capable of carrying 4 passengers plus pilot, it cruises at speeds of up to 150 miles per hour with a range of approximately 100 miles, suited for high-speed city-to-city travel with a complete bypass of traffic-clogged highways. The performance characteristics are well suited for linking major urban hubs with unprecedented speed and with efficiencies that standard ground transit simply can't achieve. In a historic milestone setting news all over the world, VX4 recently made Europe's first flying taxi flight in open airspace, in a giant leap forward in urban air transportation, as well as an effort to prove under real-world conditions that the technology would be functional. Backed by over 1,000 pre-orders from notable airlines, including American Airlines, as well as Virgin Atlantic, and with a boost from backing from the UK government, commercial operations are on track for 2028 from Vertical Aerospace.